So look what I got. It's very rewarding, guys, right? I already harvest some of this one, mostly a lot. I harvested a lot, so it's still kicking. It's still producing more fruits. So wow, I love it. Oh my goodness, wow. Can you imagine? We call this bitter melon, but in the Philippines we call this ampalaya. Okay, so that's my garden. Inside my garden, guys, how pretty they are. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's in the video here. Ouch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave some comment and hit the likes button. Thank you so much, guys. And all I can show you is my garden stuff and our chicken farm. Oops, it's blurry. Yan. Ang ganda, no? Sobrang ganda. Parang Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Kaya nga, ayan, grabe. Natutuwa talaga ako sa sa labor ko, char. Is rewarding ang labor. Labor Day. It's very rewarding. So, ayan nga siya. Ayan. So, I think, guys, ito lang talaga ang maipakita ko sa inyo, which is pretty niya. Sobrang pretty niya, no? Kaya nga. So, ayan, that's it for today, guys.